Close your eyes. Waiting for daddy. Waiting for daddy. Freya, close eye. Okay, ask daddy for more. Come on, sit down. Hmm. It's a fantastic day because we're here with a new video and you're here watching. Here's Callum and Freya. Welcome to our channel! Hi everyone! So I'm here with my favorite collaboration with my baby Callum and Freya. We're doing a game called it's a blind tasting test with all of this flavor of Lay's chips, unique flavors from China that we found here in the supermarket. We have grilled eel, we have cucumber, say cucumber, we have spicy crayfish, and we have, this is really weird, soda Yakult flavor chips, and we have fried crab, and we have soda lychee, and the last one is soda green grapes. Daddy is behind the camera. He will give us a bowl and we will try to figure out what is the flavor, and hopefully we have a perfect score. That's the game. So we're gonna give this to Daddy and then he will prepare it for us. And Callum and Freya will just eat and guess. Okay? Wow, let's give it to Daddy.
Eventually.
Close your eyes. Waiting for Daddy. Waiting for Daddy. Freya, close eye. Wow. Okay, let's smell first. Sit down, Callum. Wow. Here's the chips. Get one. Come on. Callum, smell. What does it smell? Smell salty. Is it yummy? I don't like it. It tastes bitter. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Aww. Is it yummy? I cannot tell what is it. My first guess, this might be the grape. I don't know. Okay, ask Daddy for more. Come on, sit down. Okay. So for the first food, we cannot tell what it is. I cannot tell what it is. My initial guess is maybe the grape, but maybe I will change it later. Okay, so it's salty and bitter. That's the first one. Close your eyes. This is, wait, smell. Smell fruity. I think this might be the lychee for this now. Okay, can you get one? Get one. It tastes sour. This is the grapes. Definitely this is the grapes. No, maybe the lychee. I don't know, it's so different. Very citrus. Soda. My guess can be lychee. Got it? I like this one better than the first one.
No.
Oh. No. Okay, maybe this is lychee or grape. The first one maybe cucumber. Maybe the first one is the cucumber. So this one, my guess will be lychee. Yay! Here's the the next one? This one can be... Smell. Yes, yummy. This one is very yummy. So weird. Smell first.
Yummy.
Wow. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Oh my god, I'm getting confused now. I think this is the lychee. The second one is grape. The first one is cucumber. Cucumber, grape, and this is the lychee. This one has more florally taste. See? Very happy. You like it? Like it? Happy? My guess is the third one is lychee. Next one, please. Oh, this is cucumber. This is cucumber. Has really strong cucumber. Yeah, this is cucumber. Oh my god, so the first one will be changed now. Cucumber. Okay. Cucumber, this is very cucumber. Straight up cucumber. So the first one, I need to remember, I need to think what is it. So, but this one is cucumber. Straight up. Smell and flavor. Very cucumbery. Okay, go. Oh. Oh, so strong. No, eat. Okay, good for you. Went straight on it. This one has a strong flavor. I think this is the... What do we have? Crab. This is the spicy crayfish, I think. Smell very spicy. Do we have beef? No. Callum doesn't like it. Come on, sit down. Freya.
Hey!
We're playing a game. Hey! When they sit down. That one's spicy. Okay, thank you. So, what number are we? Number 5 is spicy crayfish. So this one is like, wow. This one no spicy. Okay, let's try. I'm getting a different flavor. This could be the Yakult because it has a creamy flavor. I don't know, it's so weird. It tastes like yogurt. So number 6 is Yakult. I think this is Yakult. I'm missing one flavor. Smell it.
Yummy.
Yummy?
No.
No. Get one. This one has a strong flavor, so maybe this is crab or... This is crab. The one is eel. Okay. I think I have a... You want it? You want it? No.
One eternity later.
So that's about it. So we tasted the 7 flavors of the weird flavor of Lay's chips. So my guess is number 1 is eel, 2 is grapes, 3 is lychee, 4 is spicy crayfish, 5 is cucumber, I think, 6 is Yakult, and 7 is crab. So that's my answer. Okay.
A few inches later.
Okay. Let's see.
You got two.
Wait.
You got 2 out of 7.
What?
What?
2 out of 7. Oh
Let
no.
me read them out for you.
Okay.
Right, number 1 is eel.
Yay! Number 1 is eel. Ding.
Is Yakult.
Oh.
Number 3 is lychee. You got that correct.
Yay! Ding.
Number 4 was cucumber.
Oh.
Number 5 was fried crab flavor.
Oh.
Number 6 was grape. You got
Oh.
Yakult and grape mixed up. And number 7, spicy crayfish flavor.
Ah, okay. Okay, so anyway, we got 2 out of 7, but it's a fun activity here with Callum and Freya. Of course, I enjoy this video every time I have with them. And Daddy is joining us, even he's just behind the camera. Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Daddy is there! Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Say bye!